Hey, what's up guys, it's Austin from Skylight Junction, and tonight, in today's video rather, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a Thomas train set. So, not too long ago, I did an unboxing of the Adventure Force train set from that I bought from Walmart recently. You can put up a card up here so that way you can go check it out. But that was a pretty interesting train set, and I thought I might do one more, you know? I did a Thomas and Friends video in the past of my TrackMaster stuff. I think I only did one of them, so yeah, let's get to it, shall Also, I hope you like this new intro that I did. So I will be using it from now on. Maybe not from now on, but yeah, we'll see how the intro goes. Alright, to the unboxing. Right, the Thomas and Friends TrackMaster set is the Tunnel Blast set that I got from TJ Maxx for $13 right here. So it's a pretty good deal that I did, that I buy from the set off. So yeah, let's get this thing open, shall we? I think I'll just open that one little flap there. It's tight. Stick on my good. I didn't even think about getting the rest of the tape out, but oh well. Alright. Looks like everything is intact. And I believe here's some instructions. Colorful. Alright. Get you out. This is going to be very, very challenging to get Diesel out without damaging him. That's probably a bad idea. Alright. No, let's just grab it from somewhere and just... There we go. You're mine now. That was the wrong way of saying it, wasn't it? Anyways, time to get rid of this. We don't need you anymore. So, let's put some batteries into Diesel. Like I said with that Adventure Force train set, the batteries I'm going to put in this, I am not sponsored by the company at all. And like I said before, I can't even pronounce their stupid name. Sorry. So Diesel takes 2 AAA batteries. And the reason why I got this is because I love Thomas and Friends, even though I do not like Mattel for what they are doing to Thomas now, since they now own the rights to Thomas and Friends. I figured just, hey, why not buy it? Hey, you know, he works. That's good to hear. So, get these all out of the way. Let's look at these instructions. Yes, put the batteries in, blah, blah, blah. Okay, here we go. So, it is pretty much simple right here. Alright. So, this out. Perfect. Now this. Perfect. And then on this. So, looks like one of these goes right here, or does it go right here? Yeah, it goes right here. And this goes right here. Apparently I gotta... There we go, never mind. And this is to like blow the thing up. Yeah, I can see it. Alright, so how does this go on without me not knowing what am I doing? So I guess they go on like this, and you know, once you have a diesel or your engine of choice, it's supposed to trigger that. Something like that. Alright, I'm gonna set the track up. It's probably a short loop of tracks, so it looks like it's not going to take very much room. Alright, let's get to it. Right, I actually did have a fair bit of trouble connecting the track a little bit at this end. I guess I'll probably have to put this on last, apparently. So, but other than that, it's set up. Let's get Diesel on here and we'll run him around. And it looks like you're supposed to trigger this when he goes through. And he does. Apparently he can't go through all the way. You really have to press this down. Alright, let me get it set up again. Alright, it's now set up again. Diesel is just right here. And wait until he gets into that the tunnel. And I'll blast him out. See, like that. It feels like he doesn't do much. All he does is just push it out and they just knock over. Try to set it up again. I mean, it does look like a fun playset. It's just that the layout has to be bigger, you know. There we go. He really blasted through that time. Well, I think he did. It's pretty dumb how you had to push this down for him to actually go through. And like, you pretty much have to get him off the track in order to reset this. But other than that, it does look like a pretty fun playset. I'd be happy with it. Almost similar one. He wants to see Diesel burst through. Alright. Alright, I'm eager to get him out. I got Thomas out. Let's put him on here, see how well he does. Let's have to push this down. He's still doing well. Get him off so I can do this. I know I can just turn him off, but it's easier than just flipping him on and off while you're rebuilding this. Ready? Alright. Didn't go well. Let's do it again. Now let's do it. Here he comes. There he goes. We got Thomas and Diesel on the same track. Looks like Diesel just called it the Thomas. So this is pretty fun. Alright, what if I don't do this? What's gonna happen? What? Hang on a minute. Okay. Thomas gets caught in it too. I was about to say. It's strange. Probably wouldn't do that for fun. Yeah. I don't know what bad thing will happen. So yeah, that is the unboxing of the Tunnel Blast set. I do hope you guys enjoyed. I don't know how I feel about the set. Well, I do like it. Even if it's by Mattel, the little dinglings that made Thomas and Friends look horrible now. probably shouldn't have said it, or else I'll get demonetized, wouldn't I? That's it for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next one. Take care, everybody.